But then I want the people to always understand everything that is always going on. And I got cool that down because I had to, I just had to reset the streets. Plus I had to give you guys an opportunity to raw music. But then it's so sad because music is short and everything. So let me tell you what I did though. I had to go down, sit down, on how to fix the brand and everything because I'm drugs and everything. So I just had to go back to the gym, cool it down, and even had to change the name of the album, right? So let me tell you this because I'm about to go. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hear people saying that I'm looking fresh. Thank you so much. I've been trying to make it. You can't tell people that you're not doing drugs. But now these videos, my drugs and everything. Thank you so much. Looking fresh. You already know who it is. What it is. Because I'm not going to be doing these lives here and there. Album kuchinja zita. Hanzi. Because I said so I changed the name. The name of the album is now called Musoro, wenzou. Album, but not Musoro, wenzou. And guess what? I'm dropping it on man. Thanks. I just hope I'm Panama gang. I don't to look around to eat. Hey, come down, Alpha. Right. Let's see a Maria Sugar. Right? So yeah, thanks a lot for everyone. I got patience. I just have to come back and take my seats back. I feel like music is a good and I iterate. My jokes is a kite when I come on. My skits is a caro and I come on. But damn it, man. Hey, I'm going. For real though, like I'm going. Like hear from me, from the Holy Ten, the leader of the youth, speak of the truth. When we say Buddhism music, I'm going. Like you just don't know how to do 60 days. And I'm back. Oh yo, Marazi. How you guys doing? Hey, the first thing that I'm probably gonna say on this live, sorry not to actually go back Kuma and eat. Hey, music if you go to Zimbabwe, bro. Like Mugida say. What kind of music are you dropping, Vemo? Yeah? Nana Kusuai, guys. Like Nana Kusuai, but then I just got a little bit Kuru. Yeah, above. And you look 60 days. And I'm gained about 10 kgs over the past. Because Nana don't.